get these kind of crowds in London.
Be nice.
Wouldn't it though?
Maybe we should combine.
The weather's shit.
Maybe we should combine with a logging shed.
Well, I'd love to. If Deming had enough room, yeah.
Again, folks, please back away for a little bit. Kevin's truck's got a lot of horsepower and throws a lot of rocks. Hopefully that's all it throws. He winds it up. Get that coal rolling. And he's off. Full pole. Great job, Kevin. 308.28 feet, 17.2 miles per hour.